Give me 6 minutes and I'll show you how to never worry about money again. You've probably been trying to make serious money for years and still feel like you've barely moved the needle. I need you to hear this. You're not the problem. The way you've been taught to think about money is the problem. I'm going to give you a dead simple exercise that you can do tonight that will put you on the path to financial freedom. I've used this method personally. It's how I built a portfolio of several multi-million-dollar businesses. Make sure you stick around to the end. I'm going to share the 4 gears that make this machine run forever, and an honest caveat that's important to be aware of. I call this exercise the game of threes. The biggest mistake I see people making when they try to make money, they focus on the money. Budget harder, save more, find the right side hustle. But money isn't the starting point. Money is a byproduct of the problems you solve for other people. You get paid based on the number and significance of the problems you can solve for others. So, money can't be the focus. Skills are. Skills solve problems. Solving problems makes you money forever. The game of threes will show you what skills you have, and then I'll show you how to stack them in a way that makes you impossible to compete with. Grab a piece of paper and answer these 3 questions. Number 1, what are 3 things friends always ask you to help with? Number 2, what are 3 things you do better than your friends? And number 3, what are 3 things you do for free? Look at the list you've written down and ask yourself, what problems can I solve with these skills? Observe the problems people are facing all around you. Open your eyes and ears. Ask people what's holding them back in business or life. Talk to strangers at local businesses. Send cold DMs and emails. Which of these problems might you be able to solve with your current skills? Maybe you're pretty good with video editing and you notice a few local businesses have 0 social media presence. That's a problem that you can solve with your skill. Maybe you're pretty good with AI tools and you talk to a CEO who has no idea how much time they're wasting by not implementing a few simple automations. That's a problem that you can solve with your skill. That's where the money is. And here's where it gets powerful. 1 skill makes you useful, 2 stacked skills makes you rare, 3 makes you impossible to compete with. Say your game of threes reveals you're good at AI tools, so you start helping local CEOs with AI automations. But when you look at the problems around you, you realize that stacking your AI skill with design and sales skills would allow you to solve much bigger problems for much bigger companies. This is where you can get rich. The $1,000 per month individual CEO client suddenly becomes several $100,000 per year enterprise level contracts. This part is iterative. Continue to identify new and bigger problems, more scalable ways to solve them, and the skills you need to build to do that. Keep stacking skills. But let me tell you something most people won't. That $100,000 a year contract means nothing unless you've got these 4 gears in place. The 4 gears that build a wealth machine that lasts forever to create true financial freedom. Gear 1, mindset. Before anything else, you need internal confidence that you are capable of taking an action and creating an outcome, that you are in control of your life. So pick one hard thing, wake up at 5 a.m. and work out every morning, and do it for 30 days. This isn't about fitness, it's about building proof that you can do whatever you set your mind to. Once you believe you're in control, everything else becomes possible. Gear 2, skills. Take 1 skill from your game of threes and find 1 person this week who has a problem you can solve with it. Don't overcomplicate it. Just go to your immediate network, immediate circle. 1 conversation, 1 problem solved. That's your first client, and I promise you, the moment someone pays you for a skill you do for free, everything changes. Gear 3, network. Most people get this backwards. They read about the importance of networking. Maybe someone told them that your network is the key to making money. The truth is that you can't build a powerful network if you have nothing of value to provide. You don't build a network by gathering business cards or handing out a fancy resume. You build a network by being valuable. So, start building in public. Open an X account, create a LinkedIn, start a YouTube or Instagram account. The people you want to meet are watching for people who are doing. Share your skill building and value creating journey. You'll become a magnet for the highest quality people. The circle you build in the next 5 years will shape the next 50. And gear 4, money. Make it, save it, grow it. Focus on making money and growing it, not spending it. Live below your means. Your friends will spend, let them. You're trying to build financial freedom. You don't need to be a stock picker or a crypto genius. Open 2 accounts, a savings account that pays a decent interest rate and a brokerage account to invest in low-cost index funds. Set up an automatic monthly deposit into each one. If your total pie here is the gap between your income and expenses, you can start by splitting the middle and sending 50% of that into each of the 2 accounts. The savings account is your cash safety net. Once that account hits a balance equivalent to 12 months of your total expenses, you can shift to sending 100% of your monthly gap into the brokerage account. Remember, compounding is just returns to the power of time. Time is the exponent. It's your single greatest wealth building asset. So start now and let the machine get to work. Do this long enough and one day you wake up and your money is making more than you do. That's the machine. Here's the honest part no one wants to hear. Building a wealth machine takes time. It requires patience and consistency. Anyone who sells you the easy way is scamming you. Period. But you are in control. You are entirely capable of figuring it out, of squeezing everything you want out of this life. So do the game of 3s tonight. Comment below what skill you're building this month. I want to see what you're working on.